Gus Schmidt here. Thank you for coming to visit me. And I wanted to show you guys my secret weapon that I've been using to get those high probability Forex trades for you guys on my Telegram channel. This is a special software here and a search engine that scours all the different currency pairs. As you see here, there are different algorithms denoted by all these different numbers here, and it's scanning all these different currency pairs and putting together these the trades for me here in real time. As you can see here, I got my stop loss, my take profit numbers, as well as the execution price of the trades. And so it's analyzing all these different currencies and coming up with, like for instance here, we see a current buy signal for the Great British Pound US dollar. And as you see in real time, it's executing the algorithms here to give me various recommendations for trades. And as you may well know, algorithmic trading is taking over the Forex business. Goldman Sachs laid off a bunch of their traders and hired computer engineers that develop these types of softwares to do the trading. So this is how I'm able to get those high probability trades for y'all on my Telegram channel. And so I wanted to share a little bit of the secret here of how I'm coming up with the trade ideas. And right now it's 6:53 on the East Coast. But when the London session opens, which is the session I like to trade, this thing is just going to start going crazy. A lot of recommendations. And what I look for are trades that come up where a lot of the algorithms are picking a particular currency pair to trade. And so, like for instance, you may see US CAD, just a whole bunch of red. These red bars are sell signals, the blue bars are buy signals. But what'll happen is I may get, say for instance, Euro USD, where I'll get like up to 20 different algorithms telling me to either buy or sell Euro USD. And those are the trades, those high probability trades that I'll take for you guys, and has been responsible for the success of the high probability win rates I've been getting on the Telegram channel. So just wanted to do a quick video to share this the algorithmic trading engine that I've been using, and hopefully we'll have a bang up 2020 and really make some money this year. All right, thank you. Gus signing off. Gus Schmidt, thank you.